Hello viewers, my name is Kay and welcome to my channel. This video is a super quick overview of Project Maverick, the end goal for the Wingman clamp. If you haven't already done so, please first watch the Wingman clamp overview video. I'll attach a link in the description below. The goal of Project Maverick is to bring the Wingman clamp to market in a retail-ready out-of-the-box version. This retail version of the Wingman clamp would be much more well-refined compared to the DIY version. It would be constructed from an injection molded polymer frame, soft rubber pads, and smooth Acme threaded lead screws built around the standard square tube platform. The clamps would be sold as a set, and only as a set. Personally, I find it quite irritating when clamps are sold in single pieces. I mean, what am I going to do with just one single clamp? Each module, such as the clamp head, slider, and trigger slider, would be packaged and sold as a set, averaging $3 to $5 per piece for the Model 500 and $7 to $10 per piece for the Model 750. That way you can order and customize your collection of clamps based on your very specific needs. So how can we move forward with this? Well, not so long ago in a galaxy not too far away, I have worked on and brought consumer products to market. So I am familiar with the process and have the very particular set of skills to confidently bring Project Maverick to life. What's lacking is the funding for tooling and production. I currently have the plans and hardware sets for the DIY version of the Wingman clamps available for purchase on my site. This version could be 3D printed with standard PLA plastic or fabricated by gluing up plywood pieces. All proceeds will go straight towards funding Project Maverick, and everyone who purchases a set of plans or hardware would receive an exclusive discount to the retail version of the Wingman clamp once it is made available. I couldn't tell for sure what this discount would be for now, but I'm hoping it would be approximately 50% off. More information could be found on my site in the link below. I'm going to continue to post updates and build videos here on YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting play-by-play of the builds. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. This is Kay, signing off.